Hey everyone, it's Shannon with Dancing Daisy Designs, and I'm getting ready to start a quick project, and I thought you might want to come along. So let's go play together. I'm using the new Wild Bloeman transfer by IOD. It's beautiful 8-sheet 8x12 transfer, and it's got lots of beautiful pages and little fun florals with birds and little butterflies to choose from in this transfer set. It's a rub-on transfer, so it's like super easy to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go through and I'm going to select a few of these little florals or butterflies to go on my vintage bottles. And I have these cool old vintage bottles, and I have some different sizes. I have one amber one, but the rest are clear, so I have different sizes. I have some big ones too. So I'm going to select some different things. I'm going to cut them out, and then we're just going to rub them on to the bottles. When you're cutting out your transfers, you want to make sure that you leave the protective backing on. So whenever you go to put it down, you're going to peel this part off, and then this part is going to stick. So you want to leave your protective backing on until you're ready to actually transfer. So I'm just going to cut out some different shapes and sizes that I would like for my bottles, and then we'll fit them onto the bottles and get the cute designs that we want. All right, so now we're ready to put these on our bottles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it, and I want this to be at the base because I don't want it to look like it's floating. So I'm going to peel off the protective backing. And you do want to make sure that your glass is nice and clean, and these are going to stick really, really well to glass. So I'm just going to line it up right at the bottom. And then I'm just going to, once I'm happy with the placement, I'm just going to kind of push it down, and it's going to stick on. Once it sticks on, you don't want to pull it up because you can ruin your transfer and just make a big mess. So you don't want to do that. Every transfer comes with a little transfer stick to so that you can just rub on. So what you want to do is you just want to kind of rub down, just apply like decent pressure. You don't have to push super hard. And I like to just kind of give it a good rub all over first. And then you're just going to start in one area. And you're just going to start kind of peeling back. And if anything seems like it's not sticking or you're getting resistance, just give it a little rub back. And then just keep pulling. Just go really slow. See right here, I don't know if you could see that little part didn't stick the tip of the leaf, so I'm just going to stick it right back down and rub it down, and now it's down and you can't even tell. Sorry, that's a little close. You can't even tell. So I'm just going to continue pulling back, just going really slow. Okay, and once you've got it down, voila, look at how beautiful that looks. So what you want to do is you just want to take your paper that you just pulled off, and you're just going to kind of rub lightly over the whole transfer. This is called burnishing, and it's just kind of pressing everything down to make sure that it is stuck really nicely to your bottle. Now, normally you would want to seal over your transfer to protect it, but these bottles are for decor only, so I'm not worried about them getting messed up or anything. So I'm just going to leave them just like that, and look at how beautiful that is. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to continue rubbing on, and I will give you a show of all these beauties once I'm done. amber bottle with a gold transfer because I thought that that would look a little bit more interesting and unique on this bottle. And I kind of want to see what it looks like. So I'm using, sorry about the glare, I'm using one of the new gilded transfers by IOD. So these are gold, and this one is called Etiquites, and it's got a whole bunch of really neat, just like label type of stuff. And so I'm going to pick one out of here for this bottle. It's the same exact thing. It's just a rub-on transfer, so I'm probably going to pick a smaller one, and I'm going to stick it on there, and let's see what gold looks like on amber. I think they turned out so good. I love it when you do a project and it turns out better than you expected, and this is totally what happened with this one for me. I love how the transfers like kind of pop extra because of the grunginess of the vintage bottles. That's like a total bonus for me. Really love that. But you totally could do this on like a clear glass as well. And then if you put something inside the bottle, it can just like add to that look. And then the little like simpleness of some of these is like so good. And then the gold on the amber, wow, that looks awesome. I hope you guys liked that project. If you did, please make sure that you like down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Every single person helps me out. I'm just a one-person small business, so every single person is super appreciated. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And if you need any of the painted products that you saw me use in this video, you can find all of those at dancingdaisydesigns.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.